Hello students, today we are going to start with the third lesson, theory of equations. Just we recall the previous classes of polynomial and equations. Usually the polynomials has a degree like an xn plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1. So usually the polynomial having the expression of variable with the coefficient and binary operators too. So that is called polynomial. And the polynomial equation is, it is supposed to equal to 0. That is called p of x is equal to 0. So that is a polynomial equation. And in the previous classes, like 9th and 10th, we studied the polynomial equations, some polynomial equations. Like polynomial of degree 2, if the polynomial have the degree 2 means it is called quadratic equation. There is like ax square plus bx plus bc equal to 0. It is called quadratic polynomial. Suppose the leading variable having power 3 means it is cubic polynomial, like x power 3 plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is called cubic polynomial. Suppose if you have x power 4, the power have 4 means it is a quadratic equations. So these are the basic information about the polynomial of equations. Next we are going to study Vieta's formula for quadratic equation. Look at the concept. Let the alpha and beta be the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, we multiply x minus alpha into x minus beta. We are going to equating, that is ax square minus a into alpha plus beta x plus a into alpha plus beta. We are equating left hand side and right hand side using the leading power coefficient, like ax square cancel, and bx and minus a into alpha plus beta x. So there is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and the last one coefficient is c is equal to a into alpha beta, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. It is called sum of the root, it is called product of the root. So finally we have x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. We could say x square minus, it is called sum of roots. Sum of roots into x plus product of roots are 0. So whatever the way we have to use, that is roots are 0 or factor. So that is the final quadratic equation using the Vieta formula. X square minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. You don't forget that. Now we are going to use some problem to solve using Vieta formula. Example 3.1. If alpha plus beta be the roots of 17x cube plus 43x minus 73 is equal to 0. Construct a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. So this is the question. Now we are going to compare the alpha plus beta of this quadratic equation, and then we construct the quadratic equation using the value of alpha and beta. So we occur the alpha and beta from these equations. First, we have the sum of the root of this equation. Alpha plus beta is equal to, we just consider about that, alpha plus beta. That is alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2. We have alpha plus beta 2 plus 2 4. So that is the alpha plus beta value. Then before you doing one thing. So first we compare with the given cubic equation, that is 17x cube plus 17x square, that is not cube, that is 17x square plus 43x minus 73 equal to 0. So look at the quadratic equation and find out sum of the root of this equation and product of the root. So consider 17x square plus 43x minus 73 is equal to 0. So from this equation we are going to find alpha plus beta. You know the formula minus b by a. Here a is equal to 17, b is equal to 43, then c is equal to minus 73. Now apply the value minus b by a minus 43 by a value 17, and next product of the root alpha into beta is equal to c by a, c value minus 73 and a value 70. That is the roots of the given equation. Next we wish to construct. We wish to construct a quadratic equation whose alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. Now we are going to add the sum of the root is alpha plus beta, which is we may add, that is alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2. Then we have alpha plus beta plus 2 plus 2, 4. So that is the first complement of sum of the root. Next product of the root. Product of roots is equal to, we just multiply alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. We multiply alpha into beta and 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4. Then we simplify alpha plus beta 2 into alpha plus beta plus 4. We take the common value. Now we have alpha plus beta plus 4. So the alpha plus beta are using this value. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 43 by 17. So you write minus 43 by 17 plus 4. Now you take the LCM. So what is the LCM? 17 into 4. You just take the LCM. 17 minus 43. So 2 4s are 28 and 2 68. So the number value 25 by 17. Here alpha into beta, apply the value. Alpha into beta value is minus 73 by 17 plus 2 into alpha plus beta value minus 43 by 17 plus 7. So it's going to biggest calculation. You must do very carefully. Now we are going to take the LCM of these numbers. Minus 73 by 17 multiplied minus into plus minus 2 6 8 by 17 plus 4. So now only you take the LCM for 4 because these are in the same denominator. Then we can add the two numbers 17 minus 73 minus 86 plus 4. Can you guess what number will come? Minus 73 86. You may add 9 14 15. So the answer is minus 159 plus 4. Again you take the LCM. There is 17 minus 159 159 plus 4 into 70. Already we taken here. That is 68. So 159 minus 68. The remainder answer 9 minus 8 1 and 15 minus 6 91. So the answer is minus 91 by 70. I hope you understand. So we finished with the question. Now you write the original, the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of root x plus product of roots is equal to 0. What is the sum of the root? That is 25 by 17 and product of the root, that is minus 91 by 17. You just apply and get the answer. X square minus 25 by 17 into x plus here minus, so you apply minus 91 by 17 is equal to 0. So this is also answer. If you want take the LCM means you may take, doesn't problem. That is